Show me the shot. Whoa, that's a good shot. Hockey. Good shot, Mateo. One more. Hockey. Good job. Do you like hockey?
I like hockey.
Are you going to be a hockey player?
I'm hockey Billy. I'm hockey Billy.
Show me your stick. Oh, who bought you the stick?
Daddy.
Yeah. Thank you, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
Wow.
Okay, last shot.
Wow.
Wow.
You want Daddy to be the goalie?
Mateo.
You're the goalie.
Adori. Me.